sa channel na to, huwag niyo kalimutang i-subscribe, i-like ang mga videos, at i-ring niyo na rin ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga video tutorials na ina-upload ko dito sa aking channel. So for today's lesson, we're going to discuss a grade 8 topic, which is transforming or rewriting linear equation in slope-intercept form into standard form and vice versa. So but before that, let us first determine what is the slope-intercept form and what is the standard form of equation. So the slope-intercept form is written in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And for the standard form, we have ax plus by equals c. So that is for the slope-intercept form and the standard form. So ngayon is paano ba natin i-rewrite ang isang given na slope-intercept form into standard form at kabaligtaran. So let's have these examples. So I have here two examples for each case. So for the first case, we are going to transform the linear equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, into the standard form ax plus by equals c. So what are we going to do is, let's have this given. Number one, we have y equals 5x plus 7. So what are you going to do is, kailangan malipat natin yung term na may variable x dito sa kabila. Since kailangan natin siya is ax plus by. So that means, kailangan yung may variable na x, malipat natin dun sa kabilang side. So how are we going to do that? So to transfer the term with variable x on the other side, we're going to use the addition property of equality. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin sa addition property of equality? So kailangan natin i-add yung additive inverse ng term na ililipat natin. So since we have here 5x, kailangan natin siyang malipat. Now, what is the additive inverse of 5x? So, pag sinabing additive inverse, ito yung kabaligtaran ng side. So, since we have here positive 5x, therefore, the additive inverse is negative 5x. So, adding the additive inverse in both sides, so we will have negative 5x plus y equals 5x plus negative 5x plus 7. So as you can see, yung negative 5x na additive inverse ng 5x is in-add natin sa magkabilang side. So that will be negative 5x plus y equals, so cancel na natin yung 5x plus negative 5x, that will become 7. So we have here negative 5x plus y equals 7. So this form is already in standard form, pero kailangan natin gawing positive yung negative 5x. So what are we going to do is just multiply the equation by negative 1 para maging positive yung negative 5x. So multiplication using distributive property, we have negative 1 times negative 5x is 5x. Negative 1 times positive y is negative y equals negative 7. And this is the standard form of the equation from the y-intercept form. So, ito na po yun. Tandaan, kapag mag-change tayo or magre-rewrite tayo ng slope-intercept form, we're going to use the addition property of equality or the additive inverse. Mag-a-add kayo both sides nung term na kailangan yung ilipat. So, madalas lang naman ililipat dyan is yung term na may variable x. So, add nyo lang yung kabaligtaran nung may variable na x. So, dito, 5x siya, kaya nag-add tayo ng negative 5x, both sides. So, ganun lang po yung gagawin. Next, so for the next example, we have y equals 2 over 3x minus 3. Again, so this is in slope-intercept form. So what are we going to do is, we need to remove first the denominator of the given terms. So kailangan muna natin matanggal yung mga denominators. And for us to do that, we're going to multiply the equation by the denominator. So in this given, the only denominator is 3. So therefore, we're going to multiply the whole equation by 3. So y equals 2 over 3, x minus 3. So multiplying the equation by 3. So we will have 3 times y is 3y. Then 3 times 2 over 3x, matatanggal lang yung 3, so that will be 2x. Kasi yun nga yung kailangan natin matanggal, so matanggal yung 3, kaya naging 2x. Then 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Then after that, kung mapapansin nyo, wala na tayong denominator, so that is the time na maglilipat na tayo. And yung paglilipat natin is kagaya ng process natin sa una. We need to identify which term will be transposed into the other side. So in this given, we need to transpose positive 2x. And the additive inverse of positive 2x is of course negative 2x. So we're going to add negative 2x on both sides. So that will be negative 2x plus 3y equals 2x plus negative 2x minus 9. So again, negative 2x, inad natin sa left side, negative 2x, inad din natin sa right side. And that's the inverse of positive 2x. So cancel na natin to since 0 yung sagot sa kanya. So that will be negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 9. And for our final answer, we need to make the term with variable x positive. So yun yung kadalasan na final answer. Pero I think this is already standard form. Pero gawin natin is positive yung term na may variable x. So negative 2x, para maging positive siya, we just need to multiply the equation by negative 1. So multiplying the equation using distributive properties, we have negative 1 times negative 2x will be 2x minus 3y equals 9. And that is the standard form of equation. So pag mag-multiply kayo ng negative, palitan nyo lang lahat ng sign nung nasa loob. And that is our standard form. So that is how you change or transform slope-intercept form into standard form. So for the next example, we're going to transform the standard form of equation into the slope-intercept form, or yung kabaligtaran naman ng process natin dun sa ating naunang given. So in this type of given, we need to solve for y. Since ang slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So that means, ang matitira lang dapat sa isang side ay yung variable or yung term na may variable y. So we have here 3x plus 2y equals 6. So kailangan ang matira lang natin is yung 2y kasi siya yung merong variable y. So what are we going to do? We're going to transpose 3x sa kabilang side. And paano natin ginagawa yun? Using the same process, we're going to use the addition property of equality with the use of additive inverse. So since 3x yung kailangan natin malipat, we just need to add both sides by its inverse. And the inverse of positive 3x is negative 3x. So that will be 3x plus negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. So yung 3x natin or yung negative 3x natin, meron tayo dito sa side na to, meron din tayo dito sa side na to. So ganun po yung gagawin pagka kailangan ng maglipat. You need to add the additive inverse or using the addition property of equality. So this will be cancelled kasi magiging 0 na yung sagot dyan. And ang matitira na lang dyan is 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. Then solving for the value of y, so kailangan lang natin maalis yung numerical coefficient na katabi ng y. So we just divide both sides by the number. So since 2y siya, we just need to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So that will be 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that will be y equals negative 3x divided by 2, or yung denominator na 2, i-divide natin dun sa dalawa na nasa taas. So negative 3x divided by 2, so hindi naman siya magkakaroon ng exact answer or hindi naman siya magiging whole number yung sagot or magkakaroon ng remainder. So wag na natin i-divide. So that will be negative 3 over 2x. And then we have 6 divided by 2 plus 3. And this is the slope-intercept form of the equation. So that is for the first example. So for the last example, for the second example, so we have 3x minus y equals 2. So same process, kailangan ang matira lang sa ating isang side is yung y na. So since nandito yung y, kailangan natin malipat yung 3x dun sa kabilang side. And for us to do that, again, we're going to use the addition property of equality using the additive inverse. So since 3x yung kailangan natin malipat, kailangan natin mag-add ng additive inverse ng 3x. At ang additive inverse ng 3x ay negative 3x. So adding both sides, so we have 3x plus negative 3x minus y equals negative 3x plus 2. So ayan na po yung naging nangyari. So 3x meron tayo dito sa side na to, and 3x meron din tayo sa side na yun. So dapat magkabilang side magkaroon ng inverse ng term na ililipat natin. So cancel na to, and that will be negative y equals negative 3x plus 2. So since negative y siya, so same procedure lang ang ginawa natin dito. Pag negative, kailangan natin gawing positive yung y. So what are we going to do is multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So multiplying negative 1, mababago lang lahat ng sign nung nasa loob. So that will be y equals 3x plus or minus 2. And that is the slope-intercept form of the given equation. And that is how you transform the different equation into slope-intercept to standard and standard to slope-intercept.